So we're moving towards finding out about the process that we use to divide a polynomial by a linear function. But before then, I just want to pause a minute with the higher work and take a little look towards what those of you who will be doing advanced higher next year will be meeting. Before we can do this, we need to just have a quick reminder from primary school or from earlier in secondary of how to do division and how our process of thinking behind doing division. In higher, any division of a more complex form in number work, you will be allowed to use a calculator. It would be coming up in paper 2. But this is preparing you for advanced higher work. So for example, this division here, 28 into 47,534. So setting out our bus stop, 28 goes into 47 once. And the remainder of that, 1 times 28, remainder is 19. So that 19 gets carried on to the 5. So we're looking at 28 into 195. That goes 6 times. 6 times 28 is 168. So the remainder from 195 is 27. And so that gets carried on to the 3. So 273 divided by 28 is 9. 9 times 28 is 252. So we have a remainder of 21 being carried over onto the 4. So we're doing 28 into 214. That is 7 times. 7 times 28 is 196. The remainder there is 18. And that is our final remainder. So our quotient is 1,697 and our remainder is 18. So we could write that as 47,534 divided by 28 is 1,697, remainder 18. Or if we were thinking of this as an improper fraction of 47,534 over 28, we could write it as 1,697 and 18/28. Simplifying our fraction, 1,697 and 9/14. So this is the process that I want you to think about. It's the process of division that we do for any number at all. It's putting this divisor into the 47, seeing what your remainder is, and then carrying it on and going through each of the columns of values of numbers, which is what we're going to do for algebraic long division, which I will talk about in the next video.